Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can create Exodus account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to create your account in Exodus, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you have tapped open the app, all you need to do is simply tap on create wallet. So once you have tapped on create wallet as well, you will end up in this kind of page. So simply tap on take a tour of the app, which is located on the top of the screen. So now it will let you have a tour about what the portfolio is, what is the app all about, and you are all set with your Exodus journey. So you can simply tap on anywhere as you have now created your Exodus account. So simply you can buy, sell different kind of cryptocurrency. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.